Okay, we're going to take our coffee press and we're going to add 5.5 tablespoons of coffee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.5. And then we're going to add 16 ounces of water. Okay, and then we just want to make sure that our grounds are nice and wet and moist. So we're just going to kind of push those around with a spoon a little bit to make sure they're all submerged and wet. Okay, and then you're going to put the top back on the press, but do not press down the plunger. You're going to leave it in the up position and then put it in the refrigerator for approximately 16 hours. After 16 hours, you will take it out, plunge down the plunger, and then your coffee is ready to go.